Grocery prices are wild right now, and one way that I've been trying to save money on groceries is by using what I have in my pantry so I don't have to buy so much at the store. These are some of the pantry recipes I've been working on lately. First, I have a couple of breakfasts for you, starting with this chai spiced chia pudding. Add plant-based milk to the blender along with dried spices, a couple of dates, and blend until you have a nice smooth mixture. Add this to a big jar and pour in some chia seeds. Then stir or shake the mixture until the chia seeds are nice and evenly distributed, and refrigerate the jar overnight. In the morning, you have sweet, spiced chia seed pudding. I like to serve this with a dollop of plant-based yogurt and cinnamon on top for a real chai latte feel. The second breakfast is Instant Pot steel-cut oatmeal. This also uses apples, which keep for a long time, so I like to stock up on those when they're on sale. Add some water to your Instant Pot along with steel-cut oats and lots of spices. Add the apples and stir everything together, then cook it at pressure. After a 10-minute natural release, give it another stir and you are ready to serve. You can sweeten this with maple syrup, applesauce, or both. And it's great with a sprinkle of cinnamon on top. Look at those oats. For our first lunch, we have a BBQ Soy Curl Sandwich. Soak and drain your soy curls and then wring them out when they're cool enough to handle. Then saute them up on medium-high heat till they start to turn a little bit browned on the edges. Add in your barbecue sauce, reduce the heat, and cook for a few more minutes until the sauce reduces and is clinging to the soy curls. You can serve this as an entree, but I love using it as a sandwich filling. It's great with lettuce, tomato, and onion, or with your favorite slaw on top. Our second lunch is vegan lobster rolls. In a pan, saute up some garlic with chopped hearts of palm. Once the garlic smells cooked, you can set that aside to cool while you make the dressing. Combine vegan mayo with celery, green onion, lemon juice, and spices, and a little bit of crumbled nori. Mix the dressing until it's well combined, then stir in the hearts of palm mixture. This is a great make-ahead salad that you can stuff into buns for a quick, easy lunch. Let's move on to dinner. This is more than just a pantry recipe. This lentil rice soup is actually a soup mix that you can make and stash in the pantry for a quick dinner when you need it. To make the soup mix, combine lentils with lots of spices and some crumbled broth cubes. Add your rice and then top it up with red lentils to give it a little bit of color. You can stash it away for later or make the soup right now. If you're making the soup, saute some onions with a pinch of salt until they start to turn golden. Then add water and the soup mix, stirring everything up until it's well combined. Then cover the pot and simmer it up until the lentils are tender and dinner is served. Our final meal is stuffed shells. Start by boiling your pasta shells according to the package directions, and then make the easy tofu ricotta by combining tofu with olive oil, lemon juice, spices, miso, and nutritional yeast. Blend until the tofu ricotta is smooth and creamy. Then use jarred tomato sauce and spread some of it onto the bottom of your pan and stuff the ricotta into the shells. Arrange them in a single layer on top of the tomato sauce and then top with the remaining tomato sauce. Sprinkle on your favorite vegan mozzarella, and then if you want, you can sprinkle on vegan Parmesan or my magical vegan fairy dust. Cover and bake, then uncover it and bake for just a few more minutes until the tops are melted and the sauce is nice and bubbly. Supper is served. Which of these easy vegan pantry recipes will you make first?